I'm doing a quick video on this. It's like a 2017, 2019 ish BMW 320, and the customer's having an issue with her brake light warning, trying to get it inspected here in North Carolina. And the issue was, she said sometimes she could hit it and the light would start working. She would drive down the road, it'll start malfunctioning again. Changed the bulb, started working for a little bit, not long enough to pass the inspection. So she asked me to change the bulb for her once again. But once I got to it, I looked and saw that it was actually some type of short. My camera don't want to focus, but there's some type of short that was happening. I don't have a diagram on me, but on this black and white wire or pin. So we got a little repair kit off of Amazon. The wires aren't color matched, but it should work. I already have the new unit in. This came with the wiring harness, the connector, and a new panel, light panel. This is the old one. The fail point is right there, if you can see it, on pin 3. Burnt. Just burnt all the way. You can see on this newer one, you have full pins. To remove that, you have 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Get under it with a small screwdriver. Be careful because it may break. But then, like I said, this is the old one. And if you see an issue, check, or issue with the brake light, check the actual connection area. Seems like this is a common fail point. So I'm going to make sure, firstly, just make sure it plugs up here. If it plugs up here, I know I'm okay. Yeah. Oh, heard a click. Got a lock. Won't pull out. Beautiful. And we have a release. Did I mess up my pin? Put it in that bad socket? Nope. All right, that's our test. Now we're going to do the wiring portion. This also did come with new bulbs. There were 2 10mm nuts holding the light fixture in, and I think it was like a T27 or a T30. I used a T25, but I think it was a T27 for real. Yeah, definitely different colors, but what I'll do is I'm not using, if I'm going from right to left, I'm not using, see if it's numbered. No, it's not, but I'm not using, it's not numbered. But I'm using the first 3 and the 5th. So the first 3 and the 5th, I'm gonna tie the 4th and the 6th together like so. Now that I have them tied, I have the same wires so I don't fool myself, have these kind of twisted together. And I'm going to leave these wires on until I have the fixture working, just to make sure. But I'm cutting about 1.5 inches back just to make sure I don't mess up. If I do, I'll have something to save myself and for color coordination. All right, we'll peel some of this back and we'll begin wiring our new harness. Okay, we have our wires stripped off of this harness, tape peeled back, have our reference here showing us what we need to do so we don't mess up. And we have our replacement harness ready to go on, and we'll begin with that repair. All right, we got it wired up. I'm not gonna show y'all close up because that's not my prettiest job. I'm gonna have it wrapped up in tape next time you see it, but it's gonna do. Next, we're gonna just plug this up and see if it works. Okay. Okay, we got lights. I think the FRM had to do a check. Now let's see if we got brake light. Let's see if we can check from our Alright, I really didn't make sure this brake light works before I wrap this up. Alright, our repair is working, so I'm gonna cut these wires, secure them, secure that. Oh, I told you I was gonna show y'all that no more. Just kidding. Gonna put some tape on it, make sure it's secure and safe from weather, and this is all done.